it's a good mount. Good mount. It's pretty good. Only thing is it just tilts a little bit forward, but that's not really a problem. Very easy to build. I'm like 14. It was very easy to build. So yeah, very easy instructions. Yeah, I mounted mine vertically. I don't know how it is for horizontal, because I stream. I use this just vertical. I don't really use it for nothing else. But I mean, yeah, pretty good monitor. Pretty good monitor mount. I think you should buy. That's the only thing. I would have rated it 5 stars, but yeah.
Lo que es la PCB de nuestra PlayStation y además añadiendo algunas piezas que son importantes para la refrigeración líquida.